Discovering a lien on your property can be a major shock that threatens to derail your entire real estate transaction at the last minute. A lien is a legal claim against your home that must be satisfied or released before you can officially transfer ownership to a new buyer. The first step is to visit your local county recorder's office to identify the exact source and the current amount of the debt. Involuntary liens from contractors or tax authorities can often be negotiated down to a smaller settlement if you are prepared to pay immediately. Once a debt is paid, you must ensure the creditor signs a formal lien release or a satisfaction of judgment document to clear your record. This signed document must then be officially recorded with the county to prove to the title company that the encumbrance has been removed. If you find a lien that is fraudulent or expired, you may need to file a quiet title action in court to have it legally stricken. Taking these proactive steps will ensure that your title is marketable and that you can successfully reach the closing table without any delays.